Hello students, let's learn about amplitude modulation. AM. AM is the simplest form of modulation where the amplitude of the carrier wave is modulated by the analog signal, which is also known as modulating signal or baseband signal. A signal to be modulated, carrier wave and modulated signal are shown in figure. FC is carrier signal, which is represented by the given equation. FM is the baseband signal, which is represented by given equation. The lower figure represent the amplitude modulated wave. This representation is in time domain. EM is the peak amplitude of the modulating signal. EC is the peak amplitude of unmodulated carrier. M is the modulation index. The modulation index M can be calculated by the given formula Emax minus Emin divided by Emax plus Emin, or we can simply calculate it as EM by EC. As you can see in the diagram, FM, that is the baseband signal, is having some frequency, whereas the frequency of the carrier FC is much greater than the frequency of the baseband signal, that is FM. This is the representation of amplitude modulated signal in frequency domain. We also call it as AM spectrum. It is the frequency domain representation of amplitude modulated wave, where on x-axis we are having frequency and on y-axis we are having amplitude representation. See in the diagram, we are having two parts, modulating band and carrier band. The carrier band has got three parts. The red line indicates that's the carrier signal having the amplitude as EC. In frequency domain for AM we are having two side bands, FC plus FM, that is the upper side band, FC minus FM, that is the lower side band, and the amplitude of these side bands are given by the equation MEC by 2. In single tone system, modulating signal consists of only one frequency component, and this signal is modulated by the carrier signal. As you can see in the spectrum, FM is been represented by blue line, that is the single frequency component. The bandwidth of AM spectrum is given by the frequency difference between the two side bands, upper side band and lower side band, which comes out to be twice of FM. Thank you.